At Chartwells Higher Ed, our student success interns bring inspiring energy and make such an impact to our campus communities.
We are storytellers. I learned how to take initiative on events that promoted positivity and joy through food. It made me feel happy to know that students are excited to be a part of the dining community even after I graduate.
We are innovative. It was my job to rebrand a retail concept by using storytelling through marketing.
Each time I pass by Salty Tom's, I always see a line of happy students waiting to get their sandwiches, and I couldn't be happier to be a part of it.
We make an impact. It was my job here to cultivate an experience that students and staff loved coming to. It made me feel really good inside because I was helping to create an environment that students and staff could escape to just for a little bit without having to worry about the stress of school and work, and it's very rewarding.
We pride ourselves on being sustainable. It was my job to expand our sustainability initiatives across campus. As the semester comes to an end, I'm satisfied with the positive impact I've made with sustainability education within our dining halls.
They are recognized for their success. I was so impressed when Rashad, our marketing intern, made an impact with his smile and friendly demeanor. We are so proud of him.
We prioritize wellness.
It was my job to organize and update the current campus dining options, highlighting some of the allergen-friendly and healthy snacks.
It made me feel fulfilled and fortunate to be able to create a difference on my campus.
We are future leaders. It was my job to execute powerful this semester. It made me feel satisfied that all my hard work that went into this internship turned into a full-time role with Chartwells post-graduation.
Congratulations, grads. Thank you so much for your hard work and contributions. We wish you all the best as you embark on this next chapter.